Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the first look for Ikka came out. So Sunny Paji is back in the courtroom after Damini in the 90s. Yeah, he is played this lawyer. So he comes back in the courtroom. Tense story. The first look they showed. And he hits the person, and Akshay Khanna looks like he's come back as Remand the cat. Same look, same style. He just looked like the character from Durandar, Akshay Khanna. Looking very promising. And Akshay Khanna said to him, "Ik boon," and powerful voice. Sunny Paji says, "Shut up!" ऐसा बोलता है, "Shut up!" That kind of dialogue delivery was Sunny Paji does with his powerful voice. Sunny Paji's voice. Absolutely fantastic. This brings back the 90s courtroom film, Damni. Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq. It reminded me of that character. Sunny Paji was in the courtroom film, Damini film. Yeah, the previous courtroom film in the past. So absolutely fantastic. And there's a dialogue I'm gonna tell you in this first look. कानून या खून का रिश्ता किसके हाथ में है इस खेल का इक्का. So Sunny Paji is playing the character Sikandar Mehra as a lawyer. Very fierce and tensed drama they showed in the first look. Sunny Paji is outstanding. Sunny Paji, when he comes in the film, he's powerful, dum dialogue delivery. He's when he screams, absolutely gives you that goosebumps and all that. And Akshay Khanna as well, face off, absolutely brilliant. Ikka. And plus, you have Dira Mirza in the film as well. You have Dia Mirza after a long time. You have Tilotama Shoma as well, and Sanjita Sheikh, who was seen in Fighter and other stuff she was in. Sanjita Sheikh and Dia Mirza. Good to see Dia Mirza. I think she was in Nandania. Yeah, Nandania. I've not seen that film. Nandania. I'm forgetting the name of the film. That's Saif Ali Khan and Khushi Kapoor film, Netflix. Yeah, Nadania. Yeah, I think she was in that film as well. Not seen that, Nadania, which came out last year. Yeah. So looking very impressive. Sunny Paji is fantastic, powerful dialogue delivery, and then he hits Akshay Khanna. Then Akshay Khanna speaks, and Sunny Paji says, "Shut up." ऐसा बोलता है Sunny Paji. Still, you like Sunny Paji in today's time, in 2026, when he was from the 80s and 2026. Still, Sunny Paji has that raw, that charisma, that looks, the powerful, dumdar dialogue delivery, his action, absolutely brilliant. So this is brings back the 90s courtroom film, Damini. Absolutely fantastic, Ikka. So the first look is very impressive. So I don't know when it's gonna be released. It's gonna release on Netflix, Ikka. So yeah, Sikandar Mehra is looking very promising. This character, Sunny Deol's character, ekdam powerful, the makedar impact and tensed is given this trailer. Yeah, Akshay Khanna looking positive as well after Remand the cat, just like he's come back again once more time in the character, and this time he's in this film, Ikka. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Yes, because Sunny Deol and Akshay Khanna worked in Border, all-time blockbuster Border in 1997. Then the Border 2 has become a super hit at the box office. Sunny Paji has that thing, fierce. He has that action. He has that dialogue, powerful, dumdara voice. He has everything in Bollywood in today's time. He still has that goodness of Sunny Deol. He's brilliant. Sunny Deol is brilliant. So Ikka is looking very promising. So after Border 2 will be Ikka, then he will be doing Gabru film as well. Sunny Deol lineup after Border 2, and he's gonna be this Ikka. Then Gobru, there's another film as well he's doing. So I like Sunny Paji. Whenever he comes, when he screams, when he says "shut up," that's kind of dialogue delivery Sunny Deol gives. Absolutely amazing, and he looks good with the black coat as the lawyer's uniform. Yeah, that the famous film Domini. Domini was famous character. Not a courtroom past tense kind of film that was Domini. It just brings back the 90s feel in the Sunny Deol's character. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Deol, Sony Paji is the brilliant. Is still fantastic in 2026. Sunny Deol, you cannot ignore. Absolutely fantastic, Sunny Paji. He's brilliant. He's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Love Sunny Deol. That's why he's in Bollywood till date. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Deol. Akshay Khanna as well. Looking brilliant as well. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. All the star cast, yes, looking brilliant. So let's see when this movie comes out on Netflix. They don't mention the date, the release date of it. It's just the first look just came out. Yes, I loved it because of Akshay Khanna and Sunny Paji. दमदार आवाज, दमदार डायलॉग डिलीवरी एंड when जब मारता है उसको अक्षय खन्ना, तो एक बूंद अक्षय खन्ना बोलता है when he's beaten up and he's lying on the ground, and Sunny Paji says shut up. That kind of damdar I like about Sunny Paji's voice. Absolutely, his tone is brilliant. Sunny Deol is absolutely brilliant. Sunny Deol, brilliant. So this is brings back the old memories of Domini. Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq Niyati, my lord. Absolutely, that brings back that feel, that era of the 90s film. Sunny Deol's back in his brilliant courtroom film Ikka. We'll see who wins this courtroom drama, tense, intense, and gives the intensity as well. Absolutely gives you that feels goosebumps. Sunny Paji, absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna give it 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 for Ikka. We'll see कौन जीत रहा है इस इक्के इक्का में, कौन ये जीतेगा है इस वॉर में, कौन जीतेगा ये इक्का, असली कौन खिलाड़ी बनता है इस फिल्म में. और अक्षय खन्ना और सनी पाजी, brilliant. That's why I love Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol is brilliant. Cannot go wrong with Sunny Deol. अभी भी बरकरार आ रहा है, आगे भी बरकरार रहेगा ये सनी पाजी. From the 80s to those are Shabis. Absolutely is brilliant. So 4 out of 5 for this first look for Ikka. Yeah, I think it's going to be the negative character. I think Akshay Khanna's character in this as well. Maybe he's villain after Durundar's success. Rehman the cat just looks like same Rehman the cat looks, from the hair and look, just looks like Rehman the cat entered into the courtroom after Durandar. So 4 out of 5 for Ikka. Brilliant. That's why I love Sunny Deol. Absolutely fantastic he is. So there you go. That's my reaction for Ikka, and directed by Siddhant P. Malhotra as well. The film. Yeah, 4 out of 5. I will see you in the next one. Bye.